Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but important trick to keep your Windows run history clean and private. If you've ever wondered how to clear the run command history on Windows 10 or 11, you're in the right place. It's quick, easy, and no extra software needed. Keeping your PC tidy is always a good idea, and clearing your run history is one small step that helps protect your privacy. Let's dive right in. Type Registry Editor. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Type runRU. After typing runRU, make sure to carefully check the key values data. Verify whether all the options are clicked or ticked by default. If your system doesn't have extra entries, you can tick them. If everything looks fine, click on Find Next. Then click on Find Next, and it will show the location in the registry, meaning it will detect which folder in your registry contains it. Now we will open the database where our run commands are saved. Except for the default option at the top, select everything else and delete it. Once the deletion is complete, close the registry window. Then check by pressing Windows+R to see that your run history is now clean. That's it. Your run history is now completely cleared. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful Windows tips.